Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send Robux to friends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to send Robux to friends, you have to follow these steps. Roblox doesn't allow you to directly transfer Robux to another account, but you can still send Robux using a simple and safe workaround through Game Passes. First, open Roblox and go to your friend's profile. Once you're on your friend's account, click on Create to open the Creator Hub. From there, go to the dashboard and make sure you are on Creations tab. Once there, select any experience or create a new one to use as an example. After opening the experience, scroll down on the left side until you find Passes, then click on it. Now, select Create a Pass. Here, give the pass any name you like. Leave the description as it is if you want, and click Create Pass. Once the pass is created, click on its name to open it, and then go to the Sales section. Turn on Item for Sale, then set the price to the amount of Robux you want to send. For example, if you want to send 100 Robux, enter 100 as the price. After that, click Save Changes and then proceed to confirm. When everything is updated, log out of your friend's account and switch back to your main Roblox account. Now, using your main account, go to your friends or connections and open your friend's profile again. Click on Creations, find the experience you used earlier, and open it. Then go to the store section of that game. Here you'll see the Game Pass that was just created. Click Buy, then confirm by selecting Buy Robux an item. Once the purchase is complete, the Robux will be transferred to your friend's account after Roblox takes its standard fee. And that's it. So that's basically how you can send Robux to friends. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.